we're looking at this. Now, I've been waiting for this for quite some time. It's arrived finally from China, and it is the Xiaomi Wii. Got my scissors, so let's go for it. Just slide it through there. And there we go. Reasonably well packaged. It's quite secure in this other little plastic cover, so I'm going to have to pull this one apart as well. And yeah, I'll have to cut that as well. So here goes. See if we can get into it this time. No? Oh yes we can, there we go. Oh, looks like I didn't need to do that after all. Huh. Anyway, that's it, the little Wi-Fi stick. Pop that, does that come up? Oh yeah, USB charging port on that end, or connects its power from USB. And we'll connect this up shortly and put it to the test.